Hi, this is Jake at Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to remove your info from public information services step by step. Let's jump in. First, go to their website. Scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and click the Remove Me from Website link. Click the Get Started button to start the removal process. Enter your first name, last name, age, and the state where you live into the Search for Your Data form. Complete the security CAPTCHA and click Continue. In the search results that appear, find your personal data and click the Remove button. Enter your email address in the space provided, check the agreement box, complete the security CAPTCHA, and click Continue. An on-screen notification will appear to confirm the submission of your opt-out request. Check your email and click the verification link provided. Successful completion of your email verification will appear. You will receive an email confirmation that your personal information have been removed at the Public Information Services website. Congratulations on opting out of public information services. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.